Okay guys, we are back again. So we have succeeded in installing the blog, and as you can see from the visitors side, it is very beautiful. It is amazing, and everything is just like as if it is one of the best blogs that we normally see on the internet. Okay, so we'll now go back to our back end. Remember I said that back end is the admin's um, side. That is where the admin does his designing, where he creates, where he do and undo. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna show you from the beginning. So the thing we are going to do here is that first of all we would like to just navigate through the theme options. All right. So theme option is just like the available settings and customization that you can do with the theme setting. Do you understand? So there are two places that we can do setting. We can set things from this. This is the, like I told you, this is the theme setting. All right. This one came immediately we installed the theme, whereas these ones, pages, media, posts, jackpad, dashboard, and the rest of it were just there when we open our WordPress, when we install the WordPress. All right. So this one is not among the team. It did not come with the team. So this one didn't come with the team. The one that came with the team is only this innovation. Do you understand? So inside this innovation, you now have general option, block, styling, navigation, header, blah blah blah, down to demo importer. Are you with me? So it is at the demo importer that we went to install the entertainment theme that we are using now in our blog. All right. So just make sure you understand that. So first of all, we're going to navigate through this innovation, the general option and the rest, so that you know we'll see one or two things that we can change there to make our blog look better. Then after then I'll now show you guys where we can now do our designing, how to upload your blog, how to write your posts, and how to do other things. All right. So let's go to let's go to our okay let's go to our general option and see what is there. All right. So general option, so this one is talking about, I think it's talking about the display, main site layout. So it is full width, which means that it will display on a full scale. All right. So this is a full scale, everything is displaying, everything is fitted into the desktop and also on your phone if you are making use of your phone to do this design. All right. So just allow allow it to be on a full width. So the maximum width of content, just leave all those ones, smooth scroll, blah blah blah. Just leave these ones. All right. Pig, pignations type, simple page pignation. Wow. Miscellaneous option, blah blah. All these ones I will leave it like this because I actually don't see anything to edit there. All right. So let's go to block styling, featured area pattern, thumb border, category, all this and that. No, just leave this side. Okay. Go to navigation option. All right. Navigation. Yes, this is navigation. Sticky navigation. This makes main navigation float at the top when the user scrolls up. Okay, I think this is I think this is it. All right. The navigation. If somebody wants to select the categories, all right, I think that is what it is. Okay. Okay. Show site icon, social icon. All right. So this means social icon are these things: Facebook, Twitter, you know, um, blog, blog, something, Instagram and the rest. Okay, if you want it to be shown at the top, I think it is also showing at the bottom, at the footer. Let me check. All right, so it is showing both in the footer and in the header. Are you seeing it? It is showing at both places. So let me see if I can actually change it. Okay, enable or disable. Okay, the thing there is that I think if you disable it here, let me off it first and see what happens. I think it will disappear from both sides. Let me check if it will only disappear at the top and stay at the bottom. Okay, you see it have disappeared here. Let me check the bottom. Wow, so it disappeared here as well. All right, so it's better I leave it. Okay, that is if you have Facebook page for your blog, and then Twitter and the rest of it. Okay, but if you don't have it, you can just remove it. All right, so let me activate it. Show color of social icon. Show color. Okay, I think that is if you want the social icon. These things, the colors here are just normal this thing. Okay, excuse me. Okay, let me refresh this. uh I didn't save it. Okay, let me save changes. Okay, let me refresh. Wow, why is it not showing? Enable. Okay, social icon, it is on, so it's supposed to be showing. Okay, just pardon me for the okay, it's like it is only showing now at the bottom, but it's not showing on top. That is an error. So let me just close, or let me just see if I can. Anyway, that is by the way. Okay, if you don't want it to, but mostly, social icon don't used to appear on the top. All right, on top of blogs, you can just check other blogs to find out what I'm talking about. So social icon don't used to appear here, so you can just leave it like that, or you just don't tamper with it, during the first stage of your settings. All right, so show search icon. This search icon is this. That is this. All right. So if you want it to be showing here, which is okay, you can just leave it there. This one is show off canvas button. Enable disable canvas. I don't really know this, but I think it is somewhere there, so you can just do your investigation. Okay. Navigation styling. If you want your navigation to have color, so you can just go through this. Navigation text over, navigation height, all these things. You can just do it on your own. All right. So these are the things you can do on your own. All right, so let me not just spend time. Now look at this thing, mega menu post text style. So this is the style it is using. All right, so it is using dark. Let me check. Maybe it's maybe that is talking about maybe all these things together with the header, color. Maybe that is what it's talking about. So I will not waste time on this video. I'm just showing you guys how to just do your settings. All right, so but most of the settings here are not really necessary, but the important ones are the one I will show you. Okay. I think we are done with navigation option. Let me go to header option. Okay, now look at this style. This style is the one we are using here. So the difference between style 1 and style 2 is that the logo in style 2, the logo will be on top. All right, while in style 1, the logo will be here. As you can see, this is the logo. I can change this logo and put another logo, right? So I'll still show you guys how to do it. All right. Okay. um Now look at the logo here. You see it? So, but there's something I need to show you guys. After you have created your logo, because you need to design your own logo, all right, when you have a blog, except you don't want to make use of your logo, right? But I have a logo. But look at this place. They told me that the logo I'm going to upload, that the size is going to be 270 by 72 pixels. Do you see it? So what this thing implies is that if I upload any logo that is that is above that is above that 270 by 72, it is going to make this particular section to be bigger. The logo is going to make it to be bigger. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to upload a logo that is above that 270 something. Okay. Alright. Let me upload. Select upload. Alright. I'm gonna go to I have my logo, alright, so I'm gonna upload it. I think that is okay, let me make use of this logo, alright. So this one is this one is 2400 by 2400 pixels. You see, this logo is too much. It is too much, man. Let me check this one. This one is 184 by 60. Alright, this one is 900. Okay, let me upload this one so that you see what I mean. I'm going to upload this logo so that you see what I mean. Okay, this one is higher than the requirement. Remember the requirement is I think is 270 by 72. So but this one is above that. This one is 903 by 315. Are you seeing it? So let me just upload. Okay, let me select. Remember the requirement is 270 by 72, but this one is above. All right, so let me save changes so that you see what I'm talking about. So anytime you are designing, or you are setting, you are customizing your blog, make sure that the pictures and the logos they are of the same requirements as shown in your theme. All right. Okay, the logo is not bad. It's not bad, but still, are you seeing that? Although the logo color is just white, okay, but there are some little issues, which is the size, the dimension of this to this is not like the other one. All right. Okay, so anytime you are uploading your logo, make sure that it has the exact size that is being displayed here. All right. Okay, but I'm going to show you guys how to make your logo to be of the same size as required by the theme, or by the theme setting. All right, so I'm going to do that. So in a nutshell, remember I told you guys that some of the materials, or some of the tools we'll be using for our web design is is your is the splash, unsplash, your pixels. I also told you guys that we are going to be using um Micromedia Fireworks. Remember that. So at this junction, I'm going to show you guys how to make use of Micromedia Fireworks to resize the dimension of your logo, or the size of your logo. All right. So I'm going to pause this video so that I will get it ready and we'll continue. Okay, guys, this is the software Micromedia Fireworks version 8. All right. So basically, what this software is used for is to you know it although it is generally used in designing graphics, all right, but I normally use it to change the dimension of my, I mean, to resize my picture size. Okay, so you can also use, if you don't have this software, you can also make use of your CorelDRAW. All right, you can also make use of your, Photoshop, any of your graphic software. You can make use of it to resize the size or the dimension of your picture to the required scale. All right, so I'm going to open a new document by pressing Ctrl N, or I go to File, I select New. Okay, now let me check the size of that. I'm gonna check the size of that. Okay, excuse me. Okay, the required size of the picture is 270 by 72 pixels. Are you seeing it? 270 by 72 pixels. Okay, so I've gotten what I needed. So we are going to return back to our resizing. All right. Okay, that is 270 by 72 pixels. All right. So let me just leave the resolution to be 72. All right. But I can still make it 100. But let me just leave it like this. So select OK. So this is the required dimension. All right. This is the size. Are you seeing it? So what I have to do is just let me now upload that my logo. I'll just press Control R, Control plus R, Control key and R. Okay. All right. So I think I left. Um, okay. All right. So let me make use of this one. Okay. So let me open. Please make sure that any logo you are using for your blogging or for your website, make sure it is in PNG. All right. This my logo is not in PNG. That is why the background is showing white color. But in your own case, make sure it is in PNG. Don't forget. I'm just doing this video tutorial for blog. I'm not showing you guys how to do that. All right. So make sure that your logo is in PNG so that the white background will not be showing. Okay, so I'm gonna export this thing, the logo. Let me save it somewhere I can easily remember. Okay, let me just save it here. Alright, so I've done that. Now let me show you guys the okay. So now this is, I'm gonna change this one because I want to show you guys the main one I've just edited now. So let me upload, select, and think it is here. Now look at it. So let me show you the size. You see the size is 270 by 72 pixels. Are you seeing it? So that is why I told you that that particular software helps a lot. It helps you to change the size so that you can get the specific size you need for your design. All right. So let me upload. Okay, remember I told you guys, make use of your logo in PNG. This one is still have white background, is not recommended. All right, I'm just showing you guys just for this particular session. Okay, I've saved it. So now let me return back to. All right, you see that there's a little change. All right, this is just the main dimension of the former logo that was here, the innovation logo. So this is just perfect. All right. Okay, so now I've done the logo side. Now this site logo retina is just like the site identity. Are you with me? So this is the identity of WordPress is this logo. So it will be showing on the top of your tab anytime you have a website, or anytime someone wants to access your website. They can just see the logo, the site logo on the tab. All right, so this is one for the FCO. Are you seeing the logo? So as you can see, our site, this blog still does not have a site logo. The retina logo. So you can create it, but here they say that it should be 540 by 144 pixel. Are you seeing it? But I've already shown you guys how to resize the size of your logo. Right, so let me just upload anyone, not minding the size. Okay, let me just upload any logo that is from the logo I've already chose to make use of. So let me upload this one. All right, so let's save changes. Okay, now I think it's gonna. Okay, it's not showing, but it's supposed to show somewhere there. All right. Okay, this one is site logo 2. Layout manager. No, I don't need it. Logo position. Okay, now this particular style, this style is for the second style I told you guys. So this particular style logo 2, site logo style 2, is just for this design. You see, this is what that one is for this design. But since I'm making use of style 1, I don't need to touch that. I don't need to touch this one, so I'm okay with this. If you are making use of style 2, this is the place you can change the style. All right, so this is it, but I'm okay with what I have already. Site logo canvas. Okay, I think. Okay, let me check this thing, because I need to. Okay, I think this is the. Well, let me check it first. So I'm very sure. Man, I don't know what that one is for, but just follow the steps I've shown you. Anyone that is just giving you headache, just leave that one. This thing are just minor settings. Okay, it's not part of the main settings. Okay, sidebar settings. Now, sidebar position. I think that is this is the main body, and this one is for the widgets. I think that is it. As you can see from here, this all this place down is for the body, these ones are for the widget. All right, so that is the style this one is making use of. If I change it and put another style, something like this, that means the widget will be at this dark side and the main body will be here. I think this one does not have any widgets or maybe any sidebar, right? But I don't need it. Let me just leave it. Okay, this one is sticky sidebar. So if you want to stick any particular sidebar to your blog, you can keep it. Okay, so all those changes I don't need it for now, but you can still, when you are doing your own design, you can go through it and go into details. All right, so this one is for filter option. Now this one is for widget section. Now this particular style is this: if you want your blog not to have any footer, as you can see, the whole of this place is dark, is black color, the theme is black. All right, so but if I want to remove it, all the footer, I can just select this one, none. All right, so when I select it, I can just save. All right, okay, having done that, I can refresh this so that I can see if the footer will still be there. Wow, the footer is still there. Okay, the thing is still refreshing. I don't know. I don't know. Or let me make sure that let me save it again. Okay, let me refresh. Wow, 09, the thing is still there. Okay, but that is by the way. I think that is what it does. Okay, so let me just where was it? Okay, let me leave it to the widget session. Okay, now footer background. The background color is black, like we see it here. I see it, everything here is black, but you can still change the color. Let me put another color so that I can see. Let me select maybe this color. Save changes. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. See. I think I have fixed the problem. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what I did, because the thing is not actually showing my name, FCO Innovation. I mean my company's name. That is 2021 FCO Innovation, all rights reserved. Okay. So I think what caused it is what I don't know, but see what I did to fix it. Okay. So anytime you're having problem, maybe in your blog, trying to set some things and it's not working, all right, so you just go back to your dashboard. Okay, return back to your dashboard, just go and rewrite the theme. What I just did now is just I went to appearance. Okay, let me scroll down here. I went to appearance, selected themes. Are you seeing it? So I have to go and re-upload the theme. So re-uploading did not mean that I dismantle the former theme. No, I just re-uploaded it and the theme overwrote the former one. Okay, choose file, and select innovation. Okay, so just open it and select install now. So it will ask you a question: do you want to replace the current theme with uploaded? Okay, so what you just do is just select replace current with uploaded. Okay, let me just select it so that you see everything just the way it went with me. Okay, are you seeing it? The theme have been updated successfully. Are you seeing it? So you can now refresh, and when you refresh you can now, okay, excuse me, let me just go back to the dashboard. You can now go back to your footer option. Okay, are you seeing it? So I now changed the copyright 2001 FCA innovation, all rights reserved. Okay, that one is done. So I can, let me change the copyright background color now to something else, so that, let me save changes. Okay, let me refresh, so we can see if, are you seeing it now? This is the thing I'm showing you. I was trying to show you guys. You see the background color of the copyright have changed to red. All right, so the theme now is now working well. All right, so let me return back and leave it the way it was before. Let me leave it at black. Okay guys, this thing is working well. So anytime you encounter any problem in your, maybe in your blogging editing, or your blog editing, or your blog design, ensure that you find a way to fix it. All right, don't panic. You can make use of YouTube. Just watch a video on how to solve the problem and get going. Okay, there's no way you become a master without facing problems. Okay, so when you face a problem, ensure you surmount it. All right, so featured area. Now this featured area is just like those pictures, like the slides that are showing in top of the home menu. All right, so this is it. All this picture: Facebook building world's most advanced data, these are the featured area. So these are the pattern. If you like this pattern, you can leave it, but you can still change it here. You want to change it, select this one. This one has four slides. Okay, this one is just only single slide. Are you seeing it? This one is one big slide that it will be showing at a time. This one is like this, but I'll just leave it like this. Okay, if you want to change it, you can still change it. This one is number of posts that it will be showing on the featured slide. All right, like I told you, this is just three: 1, 2, and 3. So it's showing only 3. Okay, all right. If you want to make it 4 or more, you can click here, change it. All right, I'm okay with that one. So let me go to blog options. Wow, this is the layout, how the layout will look. So if you want, this is the current one we are making use of. So all the blogs are listed in a column, and they have one, but okay, let me check it out. Okay, so this is it, the dimension from here to here, down. Okay, so immediately after the widgets, okay, maybe it included the widget. All right, so I think you can still change it if you want to change it, but let me just leave it like this. If you want to select this one, classic small, okay, let me select this classic. All right, and save. All right, let me refresh so that, there's no main changes I've seen here. I'm not seeing any main changes here. Okay, okay, that is that. So let me go to single posts, full screen feature. You know, so it's making use of this one, full width. Okay, categories option. Okay, okay. I think we are making use of entertainment design. All right, so I think that is this. I don't need to change it. Page option. Let me check page option. Auto option, search option. Okay, these things. I think it is here. Mm, let me check. Stay connected with us. I didn't see it there, but social shares. Okay, this one talks about all those share button. All right, let me just open one of those blog posts. For example, let me open this one. Okay, it is already here. So if you want to share this post on Facebook, you can click here. All right. If you want to share it on Twitter, you click here. If you want to share it on Pinterest and the other one, all right. So if you want to make settings to that aspect, you can do it here. If you want to off it, that means to deactivate sharing your post on social media, you can just deactivate it here, but I will leave it. Okay, if you want to add more options, share on LinkedIn, share on Tumblr, and so on and so forth, but I'm not gonna touch that. If you want to share it on email, you can as well share it on email. All right, so site social profile. Okay, so this one is talking about those social profile that is up there. So these are the link. If you have a Facebook page for your blog, this is where you paste it. You can just go to your Facebook page and paste it. All right, let me just show you. Let me just quickly show you. um, facebook.com. Okay, sorry for the, let me just, okay, all right, this is it. So once you open your page, okay, so this is the link. Just go on top of this place and select and highlight all the links. All right, highlight all the links, copy it. Okay, copy it and paste it. Sorry, you can now paste it here. That's for the Facebook. All right, okay, if you have Twitter page, you can also paste it here, and the rest of it. This one is for Skype. All right, so that is how it is done. All right, so let me just save this one and show you, so that I'll click on the link, I'll click on the Facebook, and you see what will happen. Okay, let me go to the site. So let me click on this. Oh wow, it's not opening, it's not opening, it's not opening, it's not opening, it's not opening. Let me make sure that I copied this very well. Okay, social profile. Let me save changes. Um, okay, okay. I think I didn't refresh this page. That is the reason why. Okay. Wow, it's still not opening. Maybe it's another error that is occurring, but that is how you can achieve that. Okay. So don't panic. All right. So we are done with social profile. Let's go to topography. Post topography. I don't think there is much to edit here. Just leave these things here. Okay. Go to color options. Color option is just like how you set your colors. All right. Okay. The main color is this. Select main color. Review icon color. I'll leave those ones. Custom code, import and export. Okay, that is okay. So these are the basic settings you do in your theme. All right, that is the follow com settings that your team has for you. All right. Okay, that is good. So the next thing for me to show you guys is to let's hop into the next section. All right, let me show you something. Now, all these settings we have just gone through now are just for the theme, I mean for the blog theme. All right, so I know you'll be wondering, how do I start doing my blog, or how do I start writing my blogs? And I know that is your question. All right, so let me show you how to do that. Okay, for you to start writing your blog, or how to start designing your blog or writing your posts, you go back to your dashboard. Now all those posts, everything you are seeing there are found in this place. So go to posts and select all posts. So everything you are seeing there are found in this place, as you can see. So the first post there is this: hello world. Are you seeing it? So let me show you this, where this post is in the page. That is the first. Are you seeing it? This is it. So if I open it now, you see the content is exactly the way. Are you seeing it? Hello world, Facebook building world most. So are you seeing it? All these things here, although there is nothing there, it's just empty. So if I want to delete the post, I can go here and delete it. I can select trash. Are you seeing it? Okay, so it is now in trash. If I want to undo it, I'll click here. So everything you delete here are being kept in trash in case you want to bring it back again. Okay, if I want to delete it entirely, I will now have to open my trash. As you can see, it is here. I will now delete it permanently. Okay, so let me delete it permanently so that it will go away. As you can see, it is not empty. All right, so that is how it is. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to delete almost all the posts. Okay, I'm going to delete almost all the posts. So I think the entire post is 24 in number. Okay, minus plus the one I deleted before. The entire post is 25 in number, right? So I'm gonna delete all except 3. Let me leave 3. Wait, let me actually make sure that I'm not making a mistake. I don't want to delete everything, please. Okay, I'll delete all except 3. Let me leave 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let me now take bulk action. Let me move to trash. and apply. So that means I'm trying to wipe away all the content that is in the blog. Okay, I think we still have more. I will leave only 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so bulk action, move to trash, apply. So we only have 3 here. All right, so let me go and refresh the front page. Okay, let me go to home. Oh, sorry. Slash blog. Remember that this blog is hosted in my website. All right, so that's why I told you guys that I can host another site or another blog in my website. Okay, are you seeing it? We only have 3 posts here. Are you seeing it? We have only 3 posts here. All right, so I'm going to, okay, let me do something. I want to show you guys something before I will start making my posts. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Look at this. You see this picture? Okay, let me open this. You see this picture? Anytime you are starting your blog or you want to start creating your posts, ensure that you make use of a specific picture size so that the picture will be fitted into your home page. Okay, I need to make this thing very clear to you guys. Blog. Okay, now you see the size of this picture. You see the dimension. It started from here to here, and from here to here, and from that place to this place. So there is a size that made it to be like this. Please make sure that you make use of your software, the software I showed you, that is your multimedia fireworks, to resize it to this dimension. Okay, don't make mistake of using another size, so that your blog will be in a very perfect appearance. All right, I wouldn't personally, I wouldn't design a blog that has a picture, one is bigger, the other one is lesser, something like that. So make sure that you check the size of the required pictures that you need to upload in your blog. All right, so I think I'm going to practicalize this thing so that you see what I mean by that. So I'm going to edit this. Okay, so click on edit. All right, but there is something I need to show you guys. The plugin that I want to make use of in editing all these posts or in creating my posts, I'm going to show you a plugin that I've been using and the thing have been working perfectly well for me. So I recommend that you make use of it so that you get accustomed with it. Okay, so go to plugins, select add new. I'm going to show you a powerful plugin that makes things very easy for you. So the first one is I think KC Composer. Okay, the name is Kings, not KC, please. The name is King King Composer. Okay, I think the King Composer is supposed to be close, supposed to be together. Let me, you see it, this is the plugin I make use of because it's just drag and drop, very easy. So let me install. I love that plugin very much. I like it. It's working for me. You can still make use of another plugin, but for me, I like this plugin. So I've activated it. Alright, you see, welcome to King Composer. Another plugin I also advise you guys to install is install duplicator. Duplicate, so that when you make a post you can just easily duplicate it, and this is it. This is the plugin. So let me install. You still see the work of this duplicate. I'll show you guys later. So these two plugins, make sure you install it in your blog. Okay, now let me go back to my posts. I'll go to all posts. Now look at this thing. You see, once I select edit, or let me just delete almost all the, let me delete all the posts except one. Let me just delete one, leave one. All right, okay. So go action, move to trash, and apply. All right, so I only have one post here. So let me refresh the page. Let me refresh it. This is it. Let me refresh so that you see it is only one post that I have. You see, it is only this one, only one post that I have. So the blog is just empty. It's not empty. Are you seeing it? Okay. Now let me edit, just like creating my first blog or my first post. So let me go to edit.